In this video, I'm going to show you how to install YouTube Vanced on your smart TV, a modified version of YouTube that comes with built-in features like ad blocking, background playback, and even themes. Keep in mind, though, Vanced is no longer officially supported, but many users still use it for its handy features. Since YouTube Vanced isn't available on the Play Store or App Stores on smart TVs, you'll need to download the APK file manually. Use a laptop or phone to search for a trusted source that hosts the latest version of Vanced and the required microG service, which allows signed-in features like subscriptions and sync. Once downloaded, transfer both files to a USB drive. Plug that into your smart TV and open the file using a file manager app already installed on your TV, like ES File Explorer or Solid Explorer. Before installing, make sure your TV allows unknown sources under Settings. Security.install. Unknown apps are something similar depending on your brand, Samsung, LG, TCL, etc. Now open the Vanced APK and install it just like any other app. Then do the same for the microG file. Once done, open the app, sign in with your Google account, and enjoy YouTube without ads and with more control. Thanks for watching. If you successfully got YouTube Vanced running on your smart TV, drop a comment below and let me know what model TV you used and which feature you love most. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart TV hacks. See you next time.